I just got that thing unstuck from back here. It's like I never learned. We had a couple dry days there, you know, maybe one dry day there. Started trying to blow leaves because all these leaves and rain and, well, my bad habits have killed my grass this winter to no end. So I was trying to get rid of some leaves last night, ran out of darkness, and ran out of daylight, ran out of daylight. Put that thing back here, whatever, it's dry, no problem. I'll just back up. I wanted to get fewer things in the driveway because I kind of wanted to move, Hazard's Corolla up to a driveway spot so I can fiddle with that a little bit this week. Never learn, you know. But anyway, since I got that tag on the van, I have not driven anything else. I mean, I've driven the Tesla to get places, but as far as me going to work, the only thing I've driven is the van. And I'm loving it. Put I don't know, like 100, almost 200 miles on it since Friday. It's Tuesday. So it's been great, but it's raining. So I had to get some wiper blades. Yeah, apparently since Friday we've been having some dry days because, well, I haven't had to deal with this yet. But as you can see, those wipies, they've seen better days. So I guess, wow, they're Bosch. Never mind, I should just leave them. They'll probably come right back around. Yeah, anyway, let's change these wipey dapies. Boy, are we in trouble now. So, back in the day, apparently even all the way to 87, I thought they'd done away with these by then. But you can see these are screwed on arms, not the normal hook-on style arm. That red parts van I had, well, it had the little adapter doodads they used to sell for this to put on regular arms. I took those arms off, but I'm pretty sure I left them in the van when I scrapped it. Which means I don't have a way to replace these blades. Maybe I can just pull the rubber out. We'll see. I don't know. But nothing to lose at this point. Would it even be fun if they weren't completely stripped? Got the old one taken apart. See if we can remove the rubber from the new one. This has got a little clamped end. The older ones didn't have that, so we'll unclamp that. Yeah. Pull these little guys out, and that frees up the rubber. Extracted. Okay. It's like an extremely complicated Ziploc. Okay. Got our new rubber in. Now let's see if we can get our, oh, I don't know what these are. Straps, tie bars, sticky doos that hold things in. See if we can get those in. Hold everything together. Kind of fishing them in there. This one, of course, is going extremely easily. I'm sure the second one will be nearly impossible. Cool. Well, that's in there. Round 2. All right. Well, now just on good faith, since they slid together a little too easy, I'll go ahead and tighten all these little clumpy cramps so that maybe we don't yeet this rubber out while driving on the road. Done. Now it's a Bosch, but also a exact fit or something. I don't know, the cheapest one Advance had. You know, we've really become such a single-use throwaway society. It's kind of a shame. This kind of just used to be how you did wiper blades. I actually remember going to the Toyota dealer with my grandmother to buy just the rubber to replace the OEM wiper blades on their Toyota pickup. And she did in the parking lot. Not somebody from the service center. My grandmother. Meanwhile, now you just go buy the $70 Rain-X wipey blade expresses and then you throw away whatever was on your car. It's kind of a shame. We used to rebuild stuff. Tell me when's the last time you got a power steering pump rebuild kit instead of just buying a power steering pump. So our donor is going to be these tricolor rotinis or whatever. They're, brand new. What a shame. Because I'm going to throw them away while I'm complaining about single use and throwing away everything. Funny how that works. Anyway, we already did it once, so it seems we can successfully pull this apart, rebuild our older Bosch. Sorry guys, I already did the test wipe without you, but man, what a whew, dang. See, easy as that. Woo! All right. Yep, got the radio installed too. She's a real Cadillac now. Well, you know, we had to go test drive the wipers, you know, it can't just be a rain test. You know, we need some mud. We gotta make sure these things work. Oh, Lord. Conveniently, right before this off-road durability test of the wipers, I bought 2 cups of hot coffee. Great idea. Since I've been messing with this thing, I never really, I guess they had to prime, but the wiper sprayers work. I never knew that. Oh no, I'm out of fluid. It's colder than a witch's titty out here. We had a serious crazy storm last night. But like, those aren't leaves. This is paint. What? Riddle me this. That happened last night. I didn't strip it. The cold weather, the wind, the rain. What is this?